What's up guys, welcome to our third C++ video. And in this video I'm going to talk about printing text on the screen. We're going to talk about streams, how streams work, and later we'll be talking about variables and initializing variables and using them in our program. So let's start. In the last video we printed out hello world, as it was the basic program which was pre-built by our code blocks IDE. And what I wanna explain you guys is that go ahead and delete this nl command and put a semicolon here, or end the statement here, and use the cout again to print another line. And this time maybe we'll print I love chicken. So, and then the statement right there. So what you will be thinking is that hello world will be printed in the first line and I love chicken will be printed in the second line, whereas let me run this and show you guys that hello world and I love chicken both are printed on the same line. So guys, this happens because in C++, whenever you print anything using the cout function, whatever you want to print, it gets printed on a stream, okay? And if you don't end the stream, the stream's gonna continue, and whenever you use the cout next time and print out something else, the second thing and it will print it on the same stream as the previous one. So if we put an end line here, we're gonna delete this and build and run this. See, it worked. Hello world got printed on the first line, now I love chicken got printed on the second line. So this was a few basics about printing text on the screen. And now I want to talk about variables. What variables are? Let me add a comment here. Talking about variables, if you want to add comments in your code for better organization, and maybe you want other people with whom you are working with, it will be easy for them to read. You can add comments in your code by using this // and comments will be added. So we're going to talk about variables. What variables are? Variables are one of the very most important components of any program or any language you're working with. C++, Java, you're always going to need variables and the concept of variables. And you already know the concept of variables, like if x is equal to 5 and you want to say x plus 5, you always know x plus 5, you always know the answer will be 10, right? So variables are data holders which are given a particular name, and the data which they hold can be changed according to the requirements. So for having variables in our C++ program, what we're gonna do is that first we're gonna declare the type of variable which we want to use. For example, if you want an integer type of variable, write an int, and after declaring the type of variable, we're gonna wanna have to name our variable. So like int a is equal to 2, and we need to end our statement like this. And if we want to define another variable, int b is equal to 5, then we're going to define another variable, int c. What we're going to do, we are not going to give this c a particular value. We're going to assign c to be the sum of a and b. Then let's see what value c gets. So cout and c. Again, I want to explain you guys that we didn't give any quotation marks here because c is an integer type value and quotations are used for strings or text, so we don't want to use quotations for integers. Okay, cout c. You just want to output the value of C. Let's build and run this and see what happens. Okay, we got 7. A was 2, B was 5, C was A plus B, so we got 7. Quite good. Now guys, I want to talk about another thing, that if you want to declare one or more variables of the same data type, you can do it like this in B and in C, and you can later initialize the values when you need within your functions. And like you did here, int a is equal to 5. Again, you needed the value of a to be 6. So, and then let me type first, then I'll explain what I'm talking about. Okay, so guys, first what we did, we gave a value of 5, then we gave a value of 6. So you might be wondering what's happening. Oh, first we are saying a is equal to 5, then we are saying a is equal to 6. How is this possible? But guys, the only thing which is happening here is that we are reassigning the value of a. First we assigned the value of a to 5, then we thought no, we don't need the value of a to 5, we need it to be 6, so we gave it a value of 6. Then we are printing out the value of a and seeing what happens, what value do we get. So we got a is equal to 6. That is, whenever you are giving or reinitializing the value of any variable, the value which you will initialize the second time will be taken as the value of a. So when you will run this, you get 6 instead of 5. So that's it guys, that was it for this tutorial, and thank you guys for watching my videos. Make sure you like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.